Hi, we're Emre and Maya, slow travelers on the hunt for hidden gems. Several weeks ago, we published the first part of a walking tour around Cap Ferrat, a gorgeous peninsula sticking out into the Mediterranean, located between Nice and Monaco. This is now the long overdue part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I highly recommend that you watch that first and come back to this video, part 2. Part 1 covers the section from Beaulieu to the lighthouse at the tip of Cap Ferrat. And Part 2 will take you from the lighthouse to Plage Passable. So here we go. In the first video, I included lots of "you are here" type maps, which I got lots of comments back that they were very useful. But I'm not going to do that here since it's practically impossible to get lost on this trail. There are almost no forks in the road until you get to Plage Passable. Once you embark on this trail, you can either turn back or make it all the way through to the end. Bonjour. Bonjour. It's nice that some parts have these rails here, but many parts don't. Like right here, I'd say a railing would be nice. I'm sure in the summer this gets really crowded, full of people walking in both directions, so I don't know how much shoving and elbowing happens then, but feels a bit exposed to me. Over there, that's Villefranche. We arrive at Plage Passable. So that's it. We made it to Plage Passable, and from here, follow your map directions back to your car, or if you came by public transport, to the Villa Rothschild to catch the bus. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye.